So we'll continue area related to circle exercise 12.3. So some mixed questions are there. Let's see how to solve it. See the first question. Find area of the shaded region. Achha, given to us exercise 12.3. Question is find the area of the shaded region. Find area of the shaded region if PQ is equals to 24, PR 7, O is center of the circle. Center of the circle. Okay. What I'll do is I'll give you hints. You'll try to solve. So figure is given like this. There is a circle. O is the center. This is P, this is Q, this is R. You are asked to find this region. You have to guess how to do. This is passing through center. When this become diameter, diameter means 2R. If this is R, this is also R. Okay. You remember angle described by, when this is a diameter, this became semicircle now. So angle described by a semicircle is right angle. Okay, angle described by a semicircle is right angle. Is a right angle. Means what? Angle RPQ is 90 degree. 90 degree means you can use Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem means what you get? PQ is 24. This is 24. PR, this is 7. Okay. So now, PQR square of the longest side, PR square plus PQ square. QR not given, that is PR 7 square plus 24 square, 49 576. 625 means what is QR? Root over of 625, that is 25. That means QR is what? What is QR? 2R. The R is equal to 25 by 2. Now tell me, area of the shaded part is area of the semicircle minus area of triangle. Second right, area of the shaded part is area of semicircle minus area of triangle. So semicircle is pi r square by 2, pi r square by 2. Area of triangle half into 90 degree. This is base PR. So you can write it nicely. pi r square by 2 minus half PR into PQ. 22 by 7. This 2 is here. R is 25 by 2 into 25 by 2 minus half 7 into 24. Calculation you will do. Try to complete. Okay. Then comes another question. See question number 2. Area of the shaded region. Question number 2. Find the area of the shaded region. If radii of two concentric circles, if the radii of the two concentric circles with center O are 7 centimeter and 14 centimeter respectively. Okay. AOC 40 degree. AOC 40 degree. Okay. Look at the figure. Two concentric, same center. Okay. What else is given? A, C, B, D. This is 7. This is 14. This is 40 degree. So you are asked to find this one. That means area of big sector minus area of small sector. So what is required area? Required area is area of OAC minus area of OAB. OAC means big theta by 360 pi r square. Theta by 360 pi small r square. So what you will take? Theta by 360 pi common. R square minus r square. Theta is how much? 40. 40 here. 360. 22 by 7. 14 square minus 7 square. 14 square minus 7 square. Calculation you do. Simplify and find out. Okay. Then comes up question number 3. Find area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region. If ABCD square ABCD square of side 14 centimeter. So look at how it is given. This is also simple one. A, B, C, D. This is a semicircle. This is another semicircle. Okay, you are asked to this one. How to find? Tell me what to do. If this is 14, this is also 14. 14 means this semicircle na? Semicircle means 2R. 2R is 14. R is 7. Okay. Second right. 2R equals to 14. R equals to 14 by 2, 7. So how to find area of this shaded part? Is area of square minus area of two semicircle, then this part will come out. So required shaded area equals to area of square minus area of two semicircles. Okay. What is area of square? Side square. Side square minus 2 semicircle. Semicircle is pi r square by 2. One semicircle is pi r square by 2. We have 2, so you can cancel here. This is 14 square minus 22 by 7. 7 into 7. Calculation you try to complete. Okay. Then let's see another question. Question number 4. Question number 4. Find area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region where a circular arc of radius 6 centimeter. Radius 6 centimeter has been drawn with center O of an equilateral triangle OAB of side 12 centimeter is center. Okay, look, this is what I am to say you. There is a circle shaded region. This is what you want to find. This is 6. This is 12. Equilateral triangle told. Equilateral means this is 60 degree now. Equilateral triangle, this will be 60 degree. Okay. Now what I am say, if I remove this part, then what you get? A triangle. Triangle में this part is coming. Remaining is this one. So how to find this? Means how to find? Just look at here. How to find this area? Can you tell me? Now from circle, if you cut out this sector, then you will get this part or not? This part. Look at, I have cut off this part. Means sector you have taken out. If you have taken out this sector, then this will remain or not? That means this tick mark part is circle minus sector. That means you got this part. Which part? This part. Figure 1. Circle minus sector. Then plus area of the triangle. Okay. So shaded area is area of the shaded part. This is second part. Area of the shaded part equals to area of circle minus area, that is you can write 1 plus 2. What is 1? 1 is area of circle minus area of sector. Which part? This part. This part I can show you again here. This part is your 1. This part is your 1, which I am showing here. Plus area of equilateral triangle. Okay. What is area of circle? Now pi r square minus sector theta by 360 pi r square. This is part 1. Plus equilateral triangle is formula root 3 by 4 a square. A means side square. Okay. So you can take pi r square common, 1 minus theta by 360 plus root 3 by 4 12 square. Pi means 22 by 7. R is 6 into 6. Let's check if pi is given to us. If pi is given, then you have to use the pi value. Not given, so doesn't matter. Then into 1 minus 60 by 360 plus root 3 by 4 12 into 12. This is 3. This is 1. This is 6. How much you got? Now 22 by 7. 6 into 6. This is 6 minus 1 by 6. 1 6 is cancelled. This is 36 root 3. So here to simplify, this one you can write 3.14 because pi value is also 3.14 because it will be easy for us to calculate. Into 6 5s are 30 plus 36 root 3 is 1.73. Okay, multiply and find out. Okay, lot of question to be done. Then comes up question number 5. From each corner of a square, from each corner of a square of side 4 centimeter, a quadrant of a circle, radius 1 centimeter is cut, and also a circle of diameter 2 centimeter is cut as shown in the figure. Find area of the remaining portion of the square. Find the area of the remaining portion. Remaining portion of the square. Right, let's see. I think this you can do. I'll just draw a diagram for you. This is a square. From each corner this is cut off. This is diameter 2. 2 means 1 and 1. This is also 1 centimeter. So you are asked to find area of this part. What else is given? Tell me what is theta here, because this became a sector. This is a sector for us. Theta is 90 degree. How many sectors you are finding? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then a circle. So required area, this is 4. Side. Required area is area of square minus area of 4 sectors plus area of circle. Got the point? The area of square means side square, that is 4 square minus 4 into theta by 360 pi r square, and circle is pi r square. So what you do is r equals to 1 centimeter, theta equals to 90 degree. Try to complete this. Okay, today we will solve up to this. Next class we will complete this article.